We were talking about how we both love almond butter and we both love bananas.
Yes.
Now, there was a point where you said, but I really missed a crunch with something. And this is like huge creative points to you because what you came up with, what we're about to make, is so easy and so awesome.
Yeah, so basically, you know, it's a simple recipe, but we're using romaine as our shell. And that gives us a really nice crunch. So you're getting this really great, you know, the sweetness of the banana, whatever toppings we're gonna put on it, and then you're just holding it like a burrito in a sense, or a taco. So basically we just need a clean romaine leaf, this, a banana.
Thank you.
You know, generally I like to have bananas that are a little less green. We didn't have any today, but you know, a nice spotted brown banana where it has a little bit more sugar, a little less starch, it'll be more flavorful and a lot more healthy for you.
Okay, so you're holding it kind of like a boat.
Yeah, so with one hand we're gonna hold it like that.
All right.
And next we're gonna use any kind of nut butter. So that's gonna be like our glue. So we're just gonna put that onto banana, right down the middle. And you know, we have almond here, but you could use sunflower seed butter, you could use peanut butter, you could use a hazelnut butter, any kind of thing you could think of. So I'm gonna put some raw cacao nibs.
And I think a really important thing to mention too is like you've got quite a bit of superfoods out here as options.
Yeah.
We're not just throwing anything on top.
No, no, and you know, you could use anything you want. You could use berries, you could use, you know, whatever your kids' favorite things are, but you know, I love superfoods, I love all what they do, so.
Me too, yeah, absolutely. Huge amount of benefits to all of these. So first you're starting off with the cocoa nibs.
Yep, and then I'm following it with some goji berries. And then I'm gonna finish it with some hemp hearts.
And a little bit of protein in there as well. And
then some pine pollen.
And pine pollen, so you were mentioning really helps with hormones, testosterone.
Yeah, it has over 20 amino acids. And it's really great for like testosterone if you're kind of working out or even for balancing of the hormones. And it's all natural, it just comes from the pine tree. And it's one of those things where we just want to put in our diet all the time. We'll just see really great benefits.
Okay, so pine pollen too. As I transferred over to being plant-based, I was oftentimes taking bee pollen as a recovery for workouts. And with the pine pollen, now we can stay completely plant-based and still get the recovery benefits in there. So that looks fantastic. All right, so if you are interested in the recipe, which I would 100% suggest you are, we've got the recipe linked down below. Subscribe to the video and hit like, of course, and we're always interested in hearing anything that you guys have as tips when it comes to, you know, things that are exciting for kids to make, especially as they get into the plant-based world, and easy snacks too.
Totally, yeah.
Cheers to banana pillars. Cheers.
Cheers.